Welcome to Lower Austria. Lower Austria is one of the regions in the middle of Europe, and in the center of Lower Austria there is the capital city of Austria, Vienna. And so Lower Austria is a region with a lot of rural landscape, and on the other hand also a lot of industry and very diversified industry. If you want to come on holidays, you can go to the World Heritage in Wachau to drink a wonderful wine looking over the river of Danube and relax yourself. Our industry is very diversified, and we have a lot of SMEs. More than 98% are SMEs in our region. And we have some of our applied universities spread all over the region of Lower Austria. And with Vienna in the middle of Lower Austria, we have a long tradition of universities and know-how here in this region. So that is the point why we initiated this project, to combine these two things, to take the knowledge out of our universities and to provide a technology transfer, a commercialization of R&D results. And to look into that, we chose a very elaborate model with 8 steps and dimensions, where we made a benchmark of our instruments in all the regions of this project to see where potential instruments are and where improvements can be made. The Technology and Innovations Partners is a program together with the Chamber of Commerce, where the program managers go into the companies and talk to them and come up with ideas how to implement innovation strategies in these companies. And we wanted to foster that and implemented in this project a pilot action called R&D and I portfolio, where the program manager looked in depth into the innovation potential, the R&D possibilities and the ways and possible paths these companies can go into the future. And we have had a really good feedback from the companies, and a lot of companies are now applying to get these sort of discussion process with our program managers. On the second, we have our R&D funding scheme we wanted to improve and to see how we can foster the application in this program, because the application numbers dropped in the last years. So thank you to our Finnish partners. They had the best practice, a good practice called innovation ecosystems, and we took it and we asked a lot of questions, and we were in Finland to see how this is implemented, and started the pilot action here in Lower Austria with 2 platforms or 2 innovation ecosystems in the field of bioeconomy and aerospace. And now we are in the phase of building up these networks. Due to the problem of Corona crisis, there is the problem that we can't do it personally, so to implement a network and to get to know, it's harder than in normal days. But due to the good program managers we have, we will see that in the end of this year we will have the first projects out of this. Thank you to all the partners for the open discussions, because it's very important for me to have a lot of experts who are discussing really openly the problems and encourage to do new steps to implement new measures, to implement new instruments in our regions. So thank you all for participating, And thank you for the collaboration and the good open discussions with you.